Hello everybody. Welcome back to the Wealth Companion. We are back with a new video to help you master your money and build your wealth. Please do support us by subscribing this channel. So let's get started now.
When it comes to money, an average millennial has had to experience different exciting and rough times. They've enjoyed really good times when there was a general boost in the economy. And they have also endured extreme economic turmoil. As a millennial, while you keep actively making money decisions to live a comfortable life, a lot of things keep calling for your attention. It even gets worse when it involves money. This is why we've listed 5 money tips above that you should know and abide by as a millennial. Your retirement is closer than you think. Not planning for it is a huge mistake. One would assume that planning for retirement should top the list for millennials, especially as the majority of this group of people watch their parents and grandparents struggle so much with bad money decisions. However, according to Investopedia, not enough millennials are planning for retirement. According to the report, approximately 21% of millennials do not have a job that provides an employer-sponsored retirement plan. It further reveals that 70% of millennials that participated in a survey assumed that they would survive on an unrealistic amount as retirees. You shouldn't wait till you're too old before you realize you need your own money. Your retirement is closer than you think. Not planning for it is a huge mistake. Start setting money apart in long-term investments with auto-reinvested returns for retirement. This will help you enjoy compound returns, an assured way to grow wealth faster. We now live in a world where everything is designed to be smart and stressless. A good case study is auto payments. They allow you to make payments for expenses even while you sleep. But if care isn't taken, that can become a loophole quickly. How many times have you received debit alerts for services you no longer use? Or worse, for a service you cannot even identify? That's what happens when you don't take caution when automating your expenses. You lose track of your expenses quickly. Every payment doesn't have to be automatic, except if it's your savings, secure investments, or important bills you really need. Your savings and investments are not expenses. They are a deposit into your future, and yes, you need to automate them so you do not miss out on juicy returns. For others, you need to draw up a list to know what's important and what's not so important. You can make manual payments when you need them. That way, you get to ask yourself whether you really need the service before you pay for it again. You need to ask yourself honest questions before you make important money moves. Before you move into a bigger apartment, ask yourself if you really need it. What value will that bigger apartment add to your life right now? Can you be very fine without it? Before buying a car, ask yourself if you can manage the liabilities that come with owning a car. Will it quickly plunge you into debt, or will it make you spend more than you can afford? Do you even need it? These questions are important to have answers to. They will help you make the best decisions with your money. These questions are important to have answers to. They will help you make the best decisions with your money. As a millennial, you are at the age where it seems like everyone around you has something to celebrate. And they seem to all want you around. Your friends are getting married. Some are having children. Some have parties for a business launch. And some want to hang out with you because they're relocating soon. And oh, these outings all come with unplanned expenses. A little money spent at the bar, a little spent at the restaurant, and a little more spent during hangout during weekend. That's exactly how you end up with an empty bank account. Limiting your outdoor activities largely reduces your expenses. That way, you're not spending too much money you can't track. It's okay to have fun with your friends and family. But doing it without any financial responsibility hurts you in the long run. Prioritize and attend only the important ones you can't miss. As a millennial, the generally accepted amount you should target to have in your emergency plan is 6 months of living expenses. We all love when things happen as planned. Nobody likes unplanned situations. However, they are a part of life, and whether you plan for them or not, they happen. What determines your reaction when emergencies arise is how well you have planned for it. If you need urgent money right now, do you have cash that you can easily access? Not just any cash, one that you have set aside for that purpose. If your answer is no, then you need to start funding an emergency plan right now. As a millennial, the generally accepted amount you should target to have in your emergency plan is 6 months of living expenses. As a millennial, making positive money decisions can be tough. However, the earlier you start, the better it is for you. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Your Wealth Companion.